Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to enable Assistive Access. In the beginning, before you start, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17 or later, as Assistive Access is feature introduced with this operating system. To enable Assistive Access on your iPhone, let's go to Settings and go to Accessibility. Find Assistive Access. Set it up. Continue. Now select Appearance. Select Apps. Continue. Set Assistive Access passcode. Continue. And now start using Assistive Access. To exit Assistive Access, triple click on the screen display. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.